So for this project, you will need some yarn, and I'm going to be using the crochet thread, Crochet Cotton Monaco Mercerized in this shade. And I don't really know the size, but I've used this one before with a 1.75 millimeter crochet hook. So this is what I'll be using. And to start, we're going to first work the flower, and then work some chains and add some hole for this flower, which will be the button. So this two will be placed around the ear loops of the face mask. So by the time that you have completed everything, that's the only time that you will be fastening off. So of course you're also going to need some scissors and some yarn needles to weave in the ends. So with the Monaco Mercerized, you can actually pull the center, and you can work from this end tail or in here, but I prefer in the middle because it will be easier to pull out. So first we're going to work a slip knot. And then we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now once you have chain 3 there, you're going to yarn over and then work a double crochet into the third chain. Next is we're going to chain 1, work a single crochet into the ring. So when we did the double crochet, we made a ring, and then we're gonna work a single crochet. Now we're gonna chain 2, and then we're gonna do 2 double crochet together. So insert into the ring, yarn over, and we're gonna pull only 2 loops, yarn over, and then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, and then pull through 2 loops only. So now we're going to yarn over and then pull all 3 loops. So we have 2 double crochets together. Next is we're going to chain 2 and then work a single crochet into the ring. So that way we have completed our first petal, and we're going to be repeating that 4 more times. So we're going to chain 2, 2 double crochet together, pull all 3 loops, chain 2, and then 1 single crochet into the ring, chain 2, 2 double crochets together, chain 2, then work 1 single crochet into the ring. Now we have 3 and we're gonna do 2 more. Alright, so once you have 5 petals in total, we're going to work a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet made. So now we have 1 petal, and then you can weave in this end later. So next step is we're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to chain 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now depending on the size of the flower, I triple. There we go. And that's how we created a loop or a buttonhole for the flower. So this flower will serve as our button. So I think this will fit. So now we will continue working chains. You can chain up to 150 or less.